trying my level best to respond to all the comments. Okay, I would have missed one or two, but I've responded to all the comments till now. Hello guys, ellargu namaskaralu. Welcome to another vlog. This is Ashish Matthew for you. Another Saturday. I'm back in Manipal Hospital with my dad. Okay, it is damn crowded. No parking slot as such. It is really crowded. No other option. But anyways, okay, I've actually come with some of those latest updates. As everybody knows that the Seva Sindhu portal was not working yesterday. The whole night it was not working. It was completely dead. I got a couple of comments which said that rest in peace, Seva Sindhu. Alright, so humorous. And early morning it started working. There were some kind of an upgradation which was done. So do some changes, some major changes which they have applied as well. So as everybody knows that I did a video yesterday which said Maharashtra, travelers by road were not able to apply the pass. When they applied, they used to get an error message. But as of today, as per the latest upgradation, applications are accepted by the Karnataka government and by the Seva Sindhu, provided the twist here is you need an approval for your travel. So you get a text message which says that please wait for the approval. We are looking through your the form which you have filled. So I got a lot of comments in the morning. So what I did was I'm actually sharing that particular text message sent by one of the guys on the screen, so you can just see this will be the text message which you guys get. But okay, to verify this, I did call the Seva Sindhu guys as well. So a lady received, the lady officer who is working for Seva Sindhu did receive the call. Amazing professional etiquette. Okay, the way she spoke, a very good professionalism. So here is what she had to say. Okay, here's the audio for you guys.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅನಿವಾಸಿ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಹಾಗೂ ವಲಸಿಗರ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಈ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಇಂದ ಬೈ ರೋಡ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಎರರ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್
ಓಕೆ?
ಸೊ ನಿನ್ನೆ ತನಕ ಇವಾಗ ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಬೈ ರೋಡ್ ಬರೋರಿಗೆ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್. ಅದು is it implemented only for Maharashtra?
Sir, as of now we are getting only calls from Maharashtra.
Okay,
because the site was down from morning, sir. There was some work going on in the website. They made changes. As of now we have not been updated on the changes, but the calls that we are receiving from morning is only from Maharashtra. People from Maharashtra who are trying to register on Seva Sindhu. They are getting these messages. So we'll have to wait and see if anybody else from any other state are calling us.
That's right. Okay, so
from where are you traveling?
No, I'm actually in Bangalore. One of my family friend is traveling. Okay, so he told me that this is what he is getting. Okay, normally nenne tanka they were not able to apply. Our error message ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತು I guess there was an upgradation. I guess even a new SOP has been implemented onto the portal. I did see that. Okay, so ivaga I guess approval is needed only for Maharashtra by road. So that is what I feel like. That is what I guess you should be telling me about that.
Yeah, even we have not. I'm so sorry for that. Even we have not been updated. We have informed our higher officials. They said they will look into it. Because actually the website construction or any changes that happens in websites is not told us. This is a call center. It works 24/7. We are not supposed to off calls or anything as such.
Correct. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಏನೋ ಹೊಸ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. People are not even aware of it because they'll be waiting to apply. Suddenly in the morning all things have changed.
Trust me, sir, I shouldn't be telling this, but we get to know new changes only through the people who are calling us. Before even we know, they know it.
Okay madam, so I guess looks like it is only for Maharashtra by road. Flight ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ flight ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ mostly. So unless he applies, he will not know. Where is he coming from, you said?
He is coming from Maharashtra, Mumbai. ಹೌದು.
Okay, then he has to undergo all that procedure
okay. now. ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್, ಇವಾಗ ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್?
ಅದೇ ಇವಾಗ ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ದು ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನು.
ಹೌದು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ all of a sudden from first till yesterday it was said we were told to inform acknowledgement is enough, but today it is a different, altogether a different scene. It states that you need the verification ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, please hold on, once verification is done we will get back to you ಅಂತ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
So the people who have applied have to wait.
ಓಕೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಯಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಓಕೆ.
Sure sir.
ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಯಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
So this is what she said. Okay, so I guess you guys heard the audio recorded. She did say that the approval is needed. Please wait, but I'm not sure how long will the approval take. But I'm sure that you would have placed, or you would have actually selected the date of travel, and the approval should be based on that. So don't worry, guys. Go ahead and apply your e-pass who are coming by road. Since yesterday you were not able to apply, today you're able to apply for sure. Okay, let's wait for the approval, and as soon as you get the approval, please put it in the comment box as well. This will be helpful for others. There is another important update. Okay, for those of you guys who are transit travelers, okay, wouldn't require an e-pass. The confirmation is a person who wanted to travel, and she was a transit traveler. She did send a mail to the Karnataka Kempegowda International Airport, and they did respond saying that, sir, for transit travelers, they don't require any kind of an e-pass. Okay, and there is another proof for that. For the latest upgradation, if you check the categories of traveler, there is no transit travelers. Okay, there is business traveler, but transit traveler is not there. So make sure, guys, a transit traveler wouldn't require an e-pass to travel. Okay. All right, and the last thing is, a lot of people ask me about the home quarantine, 21 days of home quarantine. Let me just make it clear that all the states except Maharashtra by default is 21 days, but all the other states will go through a 14 days of home quarantine. The proof is, as soon as you open your portal, there is an SOP which is integrated or tagged onto your portal. Just try opening it. It's a PDF format. Just read through it. It clearly says that all the states other than Maharashtra will have to go through a 14 days of home quarantine. So I guess this information was the latest. Okay, I thought let me just share it. Though I'm in the hospital, I thought let me just share it to you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. If any of you guys have got the pass approved, okay, please put it in the comment box as well, so that it will be helpful for others. And those of you guys who are newly applying, okay, expect a approval text message from the Seva Sindhu. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. I hope it was very much informative, okay, at least for the people who are traveling from Maharashtra. And if yes, please do like, share to all your loved ones, and do subscribe my channel. Okay, and it's very hot right now. Let's go inside. But any kind of a new update comes up, I will surely go ahead and upload a video on that. Any kind of a queries, please do put it in the comment box. I'm trying my level best to respond to all the comments. Okay, I would have missed one or two, but I've responded to all the comments till now. Okay, and if any new changes comes up, I would definitely upload a video. Changes would come as expected, as everybody knows that. Okay, because right now Maharashtra needs approval. Tomorrow it could be any other state as well. So I'm just uploading a video right now. Things could change anytime. And yesterday's case in Karnataka was around 550. I guess this is a huge spike in the number of positive cases. So anyways, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay home, stay safe, and those guys who are traveling, safe journey as well. So cheers. Jai Karnataka Mate. Jai Hind. Bye bye. Cheers.